You apply to a remote job, it says entry level, but then they want 3 years of experience, a specific degree, and you never hear back. Sounds familiar, right? What if I told you the highest paying entry level remote jobs right now don't require a resume? I spent the last month testing over 100 AI job sites and programs. Most were dead ends, but these 3, they are the real deal. I'm going to show you exactly what they are, who is hiring, and how you can get started by the end of this video. The third one is so simple. I started getting paid after 48 hours. Now you might be thinking, AI jobs, that sounds too technical for me. Stop right there. That is exactly what these companies want you to think. The truth is, AI is stupid. It doesn't understand sarcasm. It can't tell a good painting from a bad one. Definitely doesn't know if its own answer is helpful. That is why they need you. They need your human brain to be the teacher, the editor, the quality controller. I am not talking about coding. I'm talking about skills you already have. Paying attention, having a conversation, and using your judgment. Let's break down the first job, AI data annotation. This is the backbone of the entire AI industry. Your job is to teach AI how to see, hear, and read. For example, an autonomous car company has millions of pictures of streets. They need humans to draw buses around every stop sign, pedestrian, and car so the AI can learn to recognize them. That is you. You will log in into a platform and get tasks. It could be labeling images, transcribing short audio clips, or categorizing text. It is repetitive, but it is easy to get into a flow state, and you can listen to music or podcasts while you work. Typically $20 to $30 per hour, most pay per task, so your speed increases your earnings. Not all platforms are equal. Appen and remote tasks have a lot of work, but their interface can be clunky. Telos International and Scale AI often have better paying, more complex projects. The key is to sign up for multiple to always have work. On your application, don't just click through. When they give you a practice test, go slow. Accuracy is everything. They would rather hire a slow, accurate person than a fast, loopy one. I'll show you the exact practice test strategy that worked for me in the bonus section at the end of this video. Job number 2 is my personal favorite because it feels like you're getting paid to be opinionated. AI chatbots quality evaluation. Companies like Google and Apple are in an arms race to have the smartest, safest AI. They have millions of AI conversations happening every day. They have no idea which responses are brilliant and which are terrible. They need a human lie detector. You get a conversation, for example, user, how do I make a pizza? AI, here is a recipe. First acquire flour. Your job is to read that response. Is it accurate? Is it concise? Does it sound like a real person? You will often have to write a sentence explaining your rating. This pays more for your critical thinking, usually $25 to $35 plus per hour. The work can be intermittent. You need to check the platforms frequently for new test cycles. It is not always 40 hours a week, but it is perfect for stacking with other gigs. User testing is great for short one-off chat tests. For longer ongoing work, search for search quality evaluator at We Localize or Lionbreed. These are actual part-time contracts. They will give you a test conversation to rate. The biggest mistake people make is being too nice. If the AI's answer is long and rambling, you must mark it down. Be brutally honest. That is what they are paying for. Okay, this is the hidden gem. It is called prompt engineering, and it is the closest thing to a superpower you can learn online right now. Every AI is a journey, but most people are asking for a wish. A prompt engineer knows how to ask for $1 million, tax free in a briefcase, delivered tomorrow at dawn. This is not coding, this is creative writing meets problem solving. You could be hired to generate images for a video game company, write marketing emails for a startup, or create character dialogues for a story. I saw a job post yesterday paying $45 an hour for someone to generate concept art for fantasy creatures. You don't need to wait for a company to hire you. Go to Upwork or Fiverr right now and search AI prompt Midjourney expert or ChatGPT prompt writer. See what people are offering, then create a portfolio. Take 10 amazing images from an AI generator and write the prompt you use to create them. That is your portfolio. Specialize. Don't say I make AI images. Say I specialize in generating hyper-realistic product photography for e-commerce, or I create vintage travel poster art in Midjourney. You will charge 10 times more. Overwhelmed? Don't be. Here is your exact game plan for the next 24 hours. You only need to do one of these. Go to remotask.com right now. Sign up, spend 30 minutes on their introductory guide. It is paid training. Do it. Create a profile on usertesting.com. Complete your sample test. Check the AI category daily for new tests. Go to Upwork. Don't apply yet. Just search AI prompt. See what is in demand. Then spend 1 hour creating 5 stunning images in Leonardo AI or Midjourney. Save the prompt. That is your first portfolio piece. The only way to fail is to do nothing. Action beats everything. Now, if you're ready to start but want to avoid every single mistake I made, you need to see my next video. I applied to all 3 of these jobs on camera. I'm going to show you my exact applications, the practice tests I took, and the word-for-word emails I got when I was hired. No secrets, no filter. It is the ultimate cheat code. Subscribe and hit the bell because that video dropped this coming week. It will cut your learning curve in half. Now I need to know which part are you taking first, part A, B or C. Let me know in the comments. Let's see which one is the most popular. Thanks for watching. Now go get started.